Hello, YouTube. So, today we're gonna work a little more on our Sprite 3D engine. Now, currently, as you can see off in the far distance, as you can see that? Let me turn around and, they're there, and they're over there. This is an easy fix. So, let's get to it. We're gonna go to a prop. Go to your props. And then, when I start as a clone, forever, an if-else statement. And then if-then, make it hide. And after the else, make it show. So, drag in an or. And then put another or in the first one. And then then the less than. So if z is less than 1 or z is greater than 60, or exposition where is that emotion? So or else exposition is greater than 233, or exposition is less than negative 233. Then put that in the other side of the or. So now they don't appear. Sweet. So now that that's done, we're just gonna put that into props 2. And now they don't appear anywhere else but where they're meant to. If touching shotgun, let's go to our destructible prop. Instead of making it hide, I'm gonna put when I receive fire, if touching shotgun, then delete this clone. And so, I forgot to say this last episode, but last time we did the Sprite 3D tutorial. But I want to thank Cox Moxney, I believe that's how you pronounce the name, for the shotgun. I grabbed it a while back and I had forgotten who I grabbed it from. So yeah, thank you for that. And so, the great thing about this engine is that it's simple, but the cool thing about it is that because it's simple, it's not as complex. It doesn't take a whole lot. It doesn't slow down when there's tons of clones. So you can make long, tall buildings, whatever. You can make Minecraft with this. It's a very simple yet robust system. It's good. It's cool. I like it. So maybe we wanna. So this is how you would make a wall. Just do KM. And now I'm gonna just grab a wall. So set x to 20, z and y, all that. And then we would do repeat 10, change x by 1, create clone of myself, and then change z by 1. As you can see, we've already got the makings of a house, of a place. So see, we've got the makings of a room. And then you duplicate that and then make those negative values to complete the room. So that's how you would make a room. But, like, let's say we wanted to talk to one of these guys. That's actually it for today. See you guys later.